Hello there and welcome to the Sourced Coffee YouTube channel. My name is Ash and I will be your host for this video. Now before we get started, be sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our future content. And feel free to check out all previous videos that we have on this channel via the links in the description down below. In this video, we will be looking at this machine right here, the Nescafe Fusion 60. It's a fresh bean, granulated milk and hot chocolate machine and is recommended for up to 150 cups per day with 48 available drink options. It is also powered by one 13 amp plug. This machine comes in a plumbed option but can also be run on a separate pump and water tank. It has a 10-inch touchscreen and one grinder and one bean canister, plus 3 additional canisters for granulated milk, hot chocolate, and a decaf coffee option as well. It has a front screen rinse cycle button, making it easy to keep clean and maintain, and it comes with a 12-month parts and labor warranty. However, added packages are available from us also. Now, if you have any other questions or you wish to browse the full range of products and services that we offer here at Sourced Coffee, you'll need to click on the link down below, which will take you to the Sourced Coffee website. We hope this video has been useful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel before you go, and thank you so much for watching this video.